This is the last analysis. The last analysis we did on Friday. The letter hit stop loss. But that doesn't mean that this have been validated.
Yeah, sure.
But at the end of the day, this SMA 66, as it's under this thing on 4-hour time frame, there is no point looking for sell, yes. So this will start, there's one thing about this market now that is just obvious to me this time around. Anything you see on 4-hour is trusted most of the time. So how I got to this, I analyzed this, but I didn't take this trade. I was just watching it until it hit this TP. I don't know how they count this US start TP. I don't know whether this is 92,000 people or 9,200 pips. But how?
No, if it's 9,000 points, that is 900 pips.
It's 925 points.
925 points, that is 95 pips.
No.
Abi, is it 9,000?
What he says is
9,000. That is, yeah, that's 925 pips. Yeah.
This is 92,560.
That is 900 kini.
92,000. It should be 9,000 people.
Abi 9,260. Yeah, 9,260. Yes. Wow.
Yeah. I was supposed to make this video the day this thing played out. So
which one?
How have I started recording?
Yes, you have.
Okay. So how I got to this is from here. Because this US start, I noticed that it's just one kind of thing on its own. So I just came to this monthly time frame and normal foundation, this thing to see what's going on. Even on looking at this line chart, this is bullish and it's even forming inverse head and shoulder. Can you see it?
Yes.
It's forming inverse head and yes. So this thing now is like all these things that is showing on monthly self, it's just showing a very big bullish sign for US 30. Because if this thing now finally breaks, if this place finally breaks,
yes,
then we have a retest
and to go and touch the highest point again.
Exactly. So you know how to get the most important thing in the market is supply and demand zone and market and price action. So this is resistance and this is support, right? This is support, this is resistance, right?
Yes.
Good. So that is why I put this white line monthly. This monthly line I put here. That's so monthly. Then 50% of it is where I get the one on the center. Yeah. This one. So this is what we are looking at now. Monthly inside this range. This is what the monthly is showing. Then you turn on your candle. If you turn on the candle, you'll not be seeing all these things well. But as you have put line now, you will see that this is all these rays apart. So on weekly time frame, this market is just on this weekly. This market is sometimes reading this structure, like you will just get confused. But If you pay attention well, you understand everything that is going on, you know. And this SMA 60 will always help you to know where market is.
SMA 66, yes.
Yeah. I've sent it on this thing. After I just read that in Cuban wrote on his board well. You will see that most of these analysis is from FAO. Most of his entries from FAO. And SMA 66, he even write it. He even write it most. You see. Anyway, later we just check it.
All right, I will check it.
So let's say we are the ones that wants to read this market structure now. We see this bullish. The market started like I can't you know. Then we break it, came down. I'm coming.
All right.
So on this weekly, you can see, then on daily time frame. I'm coming. I can to the video. All right, I'm coming, guys.
All right.
Okay, so the US started thing, so from here, from this daily time frame, it doesn't make a lot of sense to me. The most important thing I did is that I marked on a monthly and the weekly listing I got here. Then on 4-hour time frame, that is why I became interested on this 4-hour time frame. I just use price action and week and Cuban's week. And so I saw this impulse. This is the first impulse. This is my trend line. This SMA 66 is on what is it called? is below the price there. So I noticed that this thing is an uptrend. On 4 hour, I think I've shared all this thing with Cosmos before. Like how I prefer getting most of all these things from 4 hour. If I see an impulse on 4 hour, most things that happen on 4 hour, 99% of the time is right, it's correct, it's always accurate.
Okay.
So I mark this week here. That is this white line I put here. This week. Then this trend line. So all these things now, my entry, where I was waiting for this entry to happen. As price touched this trade. I didn't take this trade in real account. So as this as this thing retested the trend line from this long candle, there is no way, this US30 is too long. So I said, let me use this week as my entry. So as price dropped there, I put this. So I waited for it to, I think this trade take almost 8 days.
How many days?
8 days.
Okay.
Who is talking? I can't hear you. You are talking like a masquerade. Sonia, I can't hear anything. I'm just
I can't
hearing.
hear. I can't hear.
I'm just hearing.
It's my network.
Oh,
Can you hear me now?
Cosmos.
And we want to
Is there like
shift.
now?
No. I'm using my phone.
I want to shift the class.
We want to shift the class to. So what this thing I'm doing is just to record this video and how I got this started trade. I will upload it on YouTube. Send it to you guys. Then in the night, that is when because we like you to present.
Okay.
So this is the trade. This is the reason for this trade. And then the second entry is price action. The second entry is price action. Most time, what's the name of that that indicator that you say you used to mark? What is it called?
The psychological level.
So let me just finish this one first. So the second entry is on this high. Most times when market retest this high something. Most times on normal currency, like it works well. As market made the higher high, in this place you always be the higher low. So you see, as market tested it, just only God knows how this candle will look like when it touched this thing. Nobody might have taken the trade unless your mind is very strong. You know that this thing must reject, and take the trade. So this thing is 9,000. And I think at the end of the day, if we can be catching all these trades, if you get a trade on higher time frame, I'm a fan of higher time frame. That is why sometimes I will be thinking, are you sure I'm not a swing trader? But it's not about swing trading. At the end of the day, if you are winning, that's the most important thing. There's no point trying to do things on 5 minutes, 15 minutes. But you are not winning.
I said I have this exact markup in this space too, but I don't trade the pair. I don't have the same markup.
US30?
Yes.
Huh?
We are sent to look. Yes.
Okay. So nothing that will happen here now. We see the next high. This thing that happened here. We will check to see if it will happen here too. If we break here, this place now will be our entry. If we can break here. Until we break here on this 1 hour. That is where we will start looking for entry. But if you want to do 1 hour stuff, based on what I have taught you guys before, this is just a 4 hour impulse. Market will start doing I said that retracement on higher time frame is what on lower time frame.
A break of structure.
Yes. So this is an impulse, a valid higher high we have here. So if you want to catch this trade, you come to 1 hour time frame. You know, our confluence will remain that Jessica's confluence remain the distance. If only you know how to. Like here now we have the same higher low with 4 hour. You know, this is where this higher low is. Then I don't like playing all this lower time frame game again. No. But if you look at this place now, for example, look at this place. This is, let me go down to 15 minutes, where it will make sense. So if you look at here, you will see the full confluence. But notwithstanding, we will be mindful of this place. But if you look at here on US 30, you will see divergence. You will see trend line. It's like this trend line have broke out and retest. But I think our last this thing that created this high is around this place. If you mark it.
That's someday.
So we have a valid break of structure on this 15 minutes, but notwithstanding, you will know where you are in the market. That is why if you start your analysis on 4 hour, we made a higher high on 4 hour. But on this lower time frame now, we are seeing all these break of structures. And this trend line now, like using common sense, it will be like trade with market will come to test it. You draw your fee, you know. So what we will now wait for now is we will still see how it's going to play out on Monday. So we're supposed to have, for us to get a sniper entry, we need something like this. We need something like this. Then for us to get a sniper entry, we will need do you understand what I just draw now?
Yes.
What is that?
A pullback.
A counter trend.
Counter trend, then the entry.
A counter trend. And you know, counter trend is always our entry. Like if you want to, if this trading pattern now is for people that don't like drawdown, just that if you wait for it, most times it's hard to see, you know. But if you get it, 99% of the time it plays out.
Yeah.
If you see it like clean, this thing will give you a counter trend, then break structure again, break this higher way again, retest trend line. Then it will sell to here. This is what we'll be expecting till when we come in the night, then we'll finish other things. So, Ifeanyi, what was the name of that? I'm coming. What's the name of that indicator so that I can add it down?
That's for NIMH FX levels.
The indicator is NIMHFX.
Yes, grid levels.
Okay.
NIMHFS grid levels.
Yes.
NIMHFS grid levels.
This
X, not S, X.
N, yeah, HFE 76 on. Not that one. Oh. Yes, they know 73 rather. Yeah, that one. This SME 66, I can't see it too. I can't see it on my chart now.
if you add SMA,
You have to set it up for the indicator.
I'm
Set
coming.
to settings. Okay.
Okay, let me set my preference.
They said that no to 2,500 instead of 1,000. That is 256.
This one,
Yes, 2,500. 2,005.
5.
2,005. 25.
This your network is terrible.
2005, right?
Yes. Then that thing, just take it like 4. Like just 4. 4 up, 4 down. It will be enough.
I should put 4.
Yes. Seriously. Okay now. Increase this thing. It goes to okay. It will not show in this your Bitcoin chart too, or yes, starting,
Huh?
but that's only currency.
It said
Okay,
not
so
show for indices, only for currency.
yes,
Okay, yeah,
mostly.
that's why I'm going to currency. So all these black lines now are the lines, Abi.
Yes. Each of them is 250. 250. So use it for all this information too.
So I only have 4 of them.
Yes, 4 up, 4 down. You can set to 10 up, 10 down, anyone. But
All
you
these things
set
are
just
like round numbers.
yes. And the third market is actually there.
Okay. I trust anyway. I will see when you come this thing, you show us how you use it. But I trust appliance demand zone more than anything because I will see what I'm
They're
marking.
just like extra confirmation. They're just like extra confirmation.
Like this place is serve as a supply and demand.
Yes.
Okay, no problem. So we connect in the night. Okay, Sonia, look at what you
Yeah.
are asking me here. SMA 66 is not an indicator. What you will do is to add SMA. SMA is smooth moving average.
Okay.
Then you come to settings. This 7, you put it 66.
Okay.
Does it make sense to you?
Yes, it does.
So that's it. That's SMA
All right.
66.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. Now, I will record the video and send to the group.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. We will connect again by, hey, I will be in the church in the night. How are we going to do this now? Maybe you guys can host. You guys can host a Zoom this thing. You guys can, even if I'm not around. If you can communicate with them in the group. When you want to, maybe you record the video. You know how to record.
Okay.
Or just allow any of them to record it. You just allow everybody to record.
Okay, no problem.
And now, bye.
No problem.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.